This is my drawing of Labubu Grinch, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this down, go across, and then curl that up towards the outside. And leave a small gap and do the same thing on the right. Come across the eye and then up. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So over on the left side, we're going to draw an oval, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then just tuck that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's trace the eyes along the inside for the pupil. And again, just tucking that in underneath the brow. And then along the top, we're going to add a small half circle for highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's move in towards the center and draw the nose. We'll start with a curve going up and then down. On the ends, bend the nose coming down and in towards the center point. And then from the tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming down the middle. Now I'm going to go to the outside and draw that large smile. I'm going to start on the left side, bend this down, go across the middle, and then curl that up towards the right, towards the same height. Now I'm going to line the mouth with those teeth. Let's start in the middle with the left side, coming down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now we'll continue to add those teeth going up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to draw a V, come down and up. On the ends, curve this in and then down, bend this up and then out. Now I want to connect the ends with a large oval. So we're going to start with the left side, going around the teeth, come in toward the middle, go all the way around the right side, go up and then in. Now I want to place the hat on top of the head. So we start right in the middle with a curve, coming down and up. Let's add that textured hat edge, go around with another curve, go around and up towards the side. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top and then back down on the right. Just going to round up the ends, go back to the left, and again, just continue to add these curves going across. Let's draw the side of the head, starting underneath the hat, and this out and then down. Now I want to add a point, bend this up and then in, let's round and then back down. Let's add another point. Let's add one more coming down and up. Now it's going to close out the bottom of the head, coming down underneath the chin and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to bend the hat over towards the right. So on the left, bend this up and then across, bend this out and then down. Let's draw the end. Curl this around and then down towards the bottom. Go back up to the top, draw on the right side. Now from this point, bend this up and then across. Step back, draw the right side of the hat. Let's layer those ears in behind the hat. So we're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up towards the top of the ear. Let's round that out, come across and then down. Let's go in behind the hat. So right here, it's going to go up towards the same height, round at the ear, come down, and continue underneath. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Just follow that same curve. Now add that little curve in the center. Now I'm going to go back and add some wrinkles across the face. From the corners of the mouth, we're going to add a little bracket, going up and then down. Let's add some wrinkles across the forehead, coming down and up. Move up and add a shorter curve. Now we're going to move down and draw that fluffy collar. Let's start on the left. Curl this around and in. We'll continue to add these curves going across the body and bend that back up towards the right. underneath the collar, we're gonna leave a small gap, then it's out and then down towards the waist. Connect the ends with a curve coming down and then up. Let's add that same fluff around the waist. In the middle, we're going to step down, curve the body, coming down and up. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. Bend this down and out toward the left heel, bend this out towards the right heel. Now we're going to draw on the feet. From the left, bend this out toward the first toe, go up, bend the second toe, go up. Now the third toe, bend the foot going up and then down towards the heel. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to go all the way back up. We're just going to line up with the side of the body. We're going to add some fur coming down and up, down and in towards the foot. Let's go all the way back up to top. We're going to draw on the arm. Starting from the side of the body, bend this out and then down towards the cuff. Round at the arm, going up towards the side. Bend the arm, go up and then in underneath that collar. Let's add that same fluff around the cuff. Now I want to tuck the hands in underneath the cuff, starting from the inside. Start with a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. I'm just going to curl the first finger going around that bracket, step down, add the second finger, and then one more finger going back up underneath the cuff. Let's take that hand and flip it over on the right, starting with the thumb, and then a bracket, and then we'll add 3 fingers. And once I finish my drawing, I'll bring this into Photoshop to add some color, but you can do the same with some markers or crayons, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Labubu Grinch. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.